Hello, my friends. Good morning. How are you? Hope you're doing well. This is Sherry. Welcome to my channel. I was excited to do a video this morning, so I'm going to go ahead and do my Thrifty Thursday video. I wanted to come in here before even getting ready for work, so I don't know, just ready to go. Got my had my coffee. Well, I just have some in the microwave. I just warmed up the last little bit of it. I guess I'll have that when I'm taking my shower. Getting ready for work. But yeah, I got a few things here for Thrifty Thursday that I want to share. I went to an estate sale. I haven't been going, even though they've been going on. I haven't been going because I was so disappointed in the last one I went to. The prices were so high, and I just was like, when there was really nothing I wanted at the last one. So I don't know. It just really kind of put me off to estate sales, and then so since I hadn't been to one in a while, and there was one really close, I was like, let me just go to this one. I have, some time this weekend, and I'm gonna go by here and just see what's what. So anyway, I found a few things. So this was a house, and there was a garage out back, like just a big garage. Like when you went into this garage, you could tell it was definitely the man's space, or the space where everything the wife didn't want in the house anymore and he didn't want to throw away was in this garage. It was really telling a story, you know what I mean? So let me see. Let me separate out the things I got in the garage. And this is everything that was in the house. So not much. There's not much here, but I've never picked up a calligraphy pad before. So I found this, and let's see, everything was regular price. I kind of wish they did this estate sale different. They've done it different through the years, but right now their thing is if you're on certain days, like I went on Friday because I got off early, and Saturday 50% off, but I think Friday was 40% off. And here's the lines. So you know, I've seen other people show it in their journals, or, as they're doing their paper for their journals and pages and signatures. But yeah, I've never seen it in person before. I mean, if I've seen it, this is an older one, of course. And if I've seen it, I don't remember it looking like this. So maybe there's different types. But yeah. So anyway, everything $6 and up. Like if it was $6 and up was 40% off. So of course, all the kind of things I like to get, these little papery bits, all little stationery, everything. Of course, all that's under $6, so I don't get a discount. It didn't used to be that way. It used to be like on Saturday, everything's 50% off. So I don't appreciate them not giving me a discount just because I buy things that are under $6. I think it should be $6 and up, and then if you buy $6 worth, maybe, then you get a discount, right? I mean, I might have to suggest that because these ladies, I've been going to their estate sales for a year, so some of them, there's like a bunch of sisters that run this estate sale company, and they're older ladies, and some of them recognize me because I'm always, I used to always go. So anyway, the rest of the things I got in the house. So there was in one of the rooms there was a box of cards, and it said certain. What was it? Was it $1? I don't think it was. I think it was 50 cents. Oh no, it was six for a certain price, which I don't remember what the price was. Oh, it was three for $1. That's what it was. That's what it was. Three for $1. So I figured I really didn't. There weren't any really super great vintage cards, but there was a few that I did really like a lot. So I figured three for $1 was a good deal, and I found six that I liked. So this one's a postcard. There shall be showers of blessing. Pretty flowers, I thought. And then see, it is a postcard. So that one. The only thing I'm not showing you that was in the estate sale that I bought was a pillowcase, which I have in my guest room. I thought it would look pretty with the colors in there, so I added it. It was a pillowcase for a standard pillow, so I did get that. I am showing my guest room as I'm putting things in there and adding things in there on my other channel if you want to go over there and see that. And I believe I always have that linked below It's Sherry, Turquoise Dreaming Sheree's Vlog, it's called. Or, yeah, Sheree's Vlog. VLOG. So here's the second card. Came with an envelope, and I thought this was pretty with the watering cans, you know, garden-y type. You know, it's right up my alley. Blank card inside. Great for a journal. It can be, you know, lots of journaling room there. So I liked that one. And this one had a bird on the front, a little one. You know, I love little cards. So, and you don't see them that often. So this one was really cute. Just wanted to brighten your day. You've brightened so many of mine. With this little bird on the front, and it's also blank inside. Came with an envelope, and so that was that 3? That was 3. So 3 more, yeah. And so here's another little one, so cute, right? And it came with this little tiny envelope. Oh, it's getting glued onto here. Was it like? I wonder if was it like that when I picked it up? I didn't notice. It could have been. Oh gosh, I'll have to work on that later. Yeah. I'll work on that later. Anyway, it does have, it could go into the journal like that somehow. But anyway, here's a little card with a little bunny on it. And here's the card. You can see how small it is. Here's a little envelope, little brown envelope too. That's so cute. I might be able to. I have a couple things I need to try that hairdryer trick on with it, which I've never done. So we'll see. Looks like, I don't know what could be gluing it together because the seal is over here where you would seal the envelope. Just wanted you to know I'm praying for you. Itty bitty greetings, Hallmark. That's cute. Okay, so there's the 4th one. And then this one was patriotic. I was very pleasantly surprised to find this one. Very pretty, gardeny, and it's all red, white, and blue. There's a flag there. Little birdhouse, star. It's very cute. And blank inside. Judy, Judy Blankenship. Sorry. It is morning, so my voice probably isn't totally awake yet. And another gardeny one with an envelope. Blank inside too. Cute. I wonder if this was a set of cards or something, or they came individually. Judy Blankenship again. Illustration by Judy Blankenship. Anyway, this is a real pretty gardening one again. The geraniums, just a rake, just very pretty, I thought. Okay, and then this right here, a package of stationery, and quite a bit. And it's all like this first sheet here. The estate sale company put this. This should peel off. This looks like painter's tape. Let's see. I'm not going to keep that on there when I put it away. I'm thinking about for my membership doing a month where I do, you know, assorted stationaries. So I had got some out to find something in one of my drawers, and I left them out for that reason, because July might be the month that I do some of that, along with some travel theme things. It's just like I wanted to put so many things, I have so many ideas for the membership Happy Mails that I have trouble, I think I'm going to have trouble getting it all in, but I'll have to just spread it out throughout the months, you know what I mean, of the year. So, you know, because I can only get so much in an envelope. But yeah, there's a lot here. It's a pinkish kind of, and there's some specks in it. You probably can't see all of that detail in the camera here, but it's a pretty light pinkish color. And then you've got this little flower down here. Very nice writing or journaling space it would be. I could fold it and tuck it into a pocket, you know, like fold it in thirds, or I could fold it in half, and it would be a pretty page. So, very nice, and it was a good price. I think it was like, did I just take off the price? $2.50 or something like that. It might have been less at a thrift store, but oh, it was $2. $2. So I thought for the amount I got here, I figured that was worth it. And then I went to the garage. I checked out. And I forgot about the garage because I went into the house first. Checked out. They had a, you know, little checkout in the house. And then I checked out, and then I walked out. I was like, oh, I didn't go in the garage. So I went out to the garage. And there was a lot in there, and certain things I've bought before. I was kind of looking for a canvas, uh, canvas. One thing I found before, it was in like a tool related thing. That's something you would find in a garage. It was a canvas measuring tape. I sold a lot of it and I used a lot of it, but I've only found it once. And I thought, oh, this if it would be anywhere, it would be in this garage because there was just everything in this garage. But I looked through every little bit of it, and it wasn't there. So anyway, I did find these, which is kind of a strange thing to find in the garage, but it was funny. There was even like a girly calendar on the wall. You know what I mean? Like a bathing suit calendar or something that the man must have had on the wall from 1990 something or 1980 something. It was pretty funny. And then there were some other calendars in there. There was a couple calendars on the wall, and there's a couple calendars sitting on a table, but nothing that I would want to put in in a journal. So anyway, I got these because, well, these are While You Were Out little message pad. And I've never seen or picked up yellow. I've seen pink and green. I have a green one, and they still sell these, and I know they still sell them in pink. I don't know what colors they still sell them in, but I saw this one. I figure it's been around for a while. There's only a little bit left, and I don't know why this would have been out in the garage. I know he had some little things, little pads of paper, like little notepads of paper, like little ones, just with lined paper out there, like that he would make a note on, write something down while he was out in the garage. I didn't get those, but I did get this, and so there's a few on here. And then this one here is also a different, like advertising while you were out pad. There's just a few sheets on here, but it was too interesting for me not to pick up. So it says PH Sales Company down here, Charlotte, North Carolina. So I thought that was interesting. Edison, Baltimore, Richmond, Norfolk, Charlotte, Jacksonville, Tampa. And so, yeah, just some ephemera, interesting ephemera. And then there were these, so I was quite pleasantly surprised to find something like this. Equipment inspection record. So he looked like maybe he was quite a mechanic. He had lots of things that had to do, like car manuals and things like that. So maybe he just worked on his own cars. I don't know. But it looked like he did work on some type of cars. But anyway, these were out there. Equipment inspection record. Kind of a different tag. I've never bought, what is it, the tags that people always buy? And certain tags I've never, I've looked at them and they look interesting that people put in their journals. But they're expensive. Some of these tags with a printed tag like this, they are not cheap. So anyway, I was excited to find these out there and grabbed them up as soon as I saw them. Equipment inspection record. We can add a little topper on it if we want to. Journaling room on the back and the front. That would be fun to write a little bit something here. Decorate them. Anyway, there's a few of these, not that many. How many are there? Let's just see one real quick. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, there's 9 of them. I was just curious. Now I'm thinking membership, how many members I have when I get something like, is there enough for all my members? So, yeah, we'll see. Those are going to probably go in my journals because there's not that many. But anyway, I hope you enjoyed. That's it. I hope you enjoyed. Just a few things, like, I'll say it again, which I probably will say it every time now, that I only pick up the unique and different than what I have things. You know what I mean? So, like, just all these things are different. I don't have any of these. I have cards, but these were just so pretty, so you can see why I picked these up, right? I didn't pick up more than I needed or more than I could use, but just these were, I felt like, had that kind of wow factor for me, and and I really loved them, so that's why I only picked up 6, because the rest of them were just kind of, you know, blah. They were blah. These I felt were really pretty. So anyway, I hope you really did enjoy today's Thrifty Thursday. Stay tuned for tomorrow's video. I think tomorrow's video is probably going to be little clue for you and me. I think I'm going to do the first McDonald's journal flip through. So I think that's going to be tomorrow. And I feel like I need to do a scrap control soon, because I've got some odds and ends I need to use up, scraps, packaging, and things. So stay tuned for one of those soon, and I'll see you in my next video. Have a great day.